Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to download Call of Duty Warzone on the Xbox Series S completely for free. So all you need to do is you need to press the Xbox logo and then navigate to the right, and you just want to make sure you are signed in with a Microsoft account. If you aren't, just click on Add here and then Add New, and you just want to either create a Microsoft account or sign in with your existing one. Once you've done that, you just want to open up the Microsoft Store, and once you're here, all you need to do is click on Search, and then you just want to search up for War, and then you should see Call of Duty Warzone is right here. Just click on this one and then click on Get. For me it says Manage because I've already downloaded it. You just want to click on Get. This is a completely free app to download, so you won't be charged. You click on Get and then the Call of Duty Modern Warfare based game will download. So you may be like, hold up a second, but I'm downloading Call of Duty Warzone. Why is it saying Modern Warfare then? That's because Call of Duty Warzone runs inside of the Modern Warfare engine. If you want to play Call of Duty Modern Warfare, you will have to buy that separately, but they have made a separate application for that. You can see that one right here. So all you do is you just download Call of Duty Warzone. Once it's installed, you should see it on your home screen, and you just want to open it up. Now, one thing I recommend you do is once you have Call of Duty Warzone downloaded, is you press the Xbox logo, My Games and Apps, See All, and then you just want to navigate to Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Just press Start here, Manage Games and Add-ons, click on this one, and you just want to download all of these packs right here. Now keep in mind, if you don't have the regular Call of Duty Modern Warfare game, not all of these packs will show up. However, if some packs do show up, just make sure you download them. If in the pack shop, that's perfectly fine. That's probably because you don't have the Modern Warfare game. If you do buy Modern Warfare, then you can download these packs and you'll be good to go. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.